Hi everyone and welcome back. Today's look is a rainbow look inspired by Rocio Cervantes. If you want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Using my Beauty Bay palette, I'm taking Livin' for Lavender and focusing that on the inner part of my crease. Next, taking Daydream, I'm blending that beside the previous shade. Adding Slice of Lime next to Daydream, I'm making sure to blend the colours together to achieve a seamless blend. Taking Daffodil Delight, I'm adding that next to the previous shade to continue the rainbow gradient. I'm using Just Peachy as a transition between the yellow and the next shade, which is a mixture of Tutti Frutti and Sweet Tooth to create a pastel red shade. Cutting my whole crease using the Too Faced concealer and a flat brush, I'm then taking the BYS Cosmetics Bloom palette and the shade Starlight for the shimmer. I'm now cutting a winged liner shape from the center of my lash line to the end of the cut crease. Here I'm blending all of the previous colors we've used from purple to red. Now I'm taking the BYS Glitter Primer and the Colourpop Glitterily Obsessed in Cupid Plutonic and packing that all over the rainbow wing. Now I'm taking the previous rainbow shades along the lower lash line. Finally, I'm taking these small craft glitter stars and I'm placing them on the rainbow wing. Here is what the finished result looks like after my base and lashes. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when I post. Thank you for watching.